There are some people who are just asking, I can't do it. It's not happening for me. Should I leave it? I can't do it. I think it's not for me. I can't optimize my videos. You know what's my answer is to them? Wait, let me show you. I'm going to be showing you how you can basically do that. It's not that tough. Trust me on this, because whenever you learn this thing, we are going to be using morning fame today. So what's going to be happening on here? I need to tell you this. For example, on the previous video, we learned about how you can use morning fame, but now here is something really interesting. You can use this technique that I'm going to be showing to you. For example, we were using how to make a cake, and for that we used these topics just like onto the search, and we went to the optimization, and we used how to make cake with Oreo biscuit on pan. And now we saw this video was up here, and we saw was very simple. We just saw that this is the video that we can, this is the gateway video that we need to bypass, and after that we will be ranking number one. Isn't that crazy? But how can you actually find something just like this? Now what happens, most people don't understand that how this things is working. So it's completely okay. Let me just tell you how it works, because you can be a beginner and you might not know everything. So you can basically learn, then implement. And now here you go onto keyword, and you can see onto the search, and now you can see that this is a relevance thing that is happening. So we were searching about how to make cake. Okay, so whenever we think about it, we can see some options up here, that is how to make cake, and you can see all of it that is coming. Now you can see, you can click onto the suggestion, where you will get something that is completely different, and you might use all of this, but you are still not getting ideas that how you can basically get some great result that will be helping you up. Let me show you how you can do it. Do you want to know? Do you want to optimize onto number one so that your video ranks onto one? So you might have 10 or 20 no face creator channel, that is without showing your face. You can make YouTube automation, you can use the power of YouTube automation, and you can use that to make YouTube cash cow channels. And whenever you do that, you simply need to upload, and then you need to optimize. And there are sometimes people cannot optimize, and it's completely okay. So what you need to do is that you need to come in here, and after that you need to use this long tail keywords. And there might be some things that you might be feeling, oh god, this is so tough. What should I do? I am doing all of this and still it's not working. Now you know what, you need to use something that's really common. This is known as the suggestion bar. You need to come into suggestion. It might work, it might not work, but let me tell you this secret that you can definitely use it for your betterment. And what it is, now you can go up here, you can see this option. This is known as this browse this alphabet. So you can come in here, and whenever you click on A, and on A, you know what happens? You can see different options like home, how to make cake at home, how to make cake at home without oven, and you can see all of this that is with letter A. Now whenever you change it here, you can come into B. That means what, you are getting wide range of opportunities with keywords that are already present. So you can mix and match that so that you find your desired results. Is a way that you can basically do. Now, whenever you think about it, you will be able to do it in a much more effective way. You can actually do it in a much more effective way. How you can do it? Now we need to go on to see, let's assume. Now you can see how to make cake chocolate, how to make cake cream at home. You can see how to make cake cream without electric beater. Okay, so you can see how to make cake cream without egg. So people are finding all of this. Now let's go up here. It is without egg because there are people who love it without egg. Now you can see the relevance is like this. Now you can go on to the suggestion, and it will be depending. Now this thing, all these subscriber views, likes will be depending on to your channel strength. Now, this is a very new channel that we are using because this channel doesn't have much views, nor does it have much subscribers. So this is a very small channel. You can see the subscriber is like 29. And these are, if you want to bypass all of it, then you need almost like 22,000 or 20,000, or if you have 50,000, then also it will be working just for you. Now, you don't have much subscribers to basically find a combination in which this will be B, this will be D, all these three will be basically on D. Now you can see this is a general way of understanding that how this grading system will be, so that you can actually optimize your videos, that will be ultimately helping you up so that you get a better views, or so that people can see it. That means what? That means your keyword should be so much strong into, and that will be helping you up to get much more relevant results for other people. That is, you're getting higher ranking onto that specific keyword. And whenever you do that, you are ready. And you need to know this, that you can use something really cool. You can also use this tags of other people. For example, how to make cream. Okay, how to make eggless cream. What we're using is how to make cream, cake cream without egg. You can see you can be on number one, and you can see you can also choose this show tags. You can see tags of other people. You can see tags of other people. That is completely cool, and you can use all of these tags if you want to use. Now you can take it as a suggestion. For example, if I need to use this, how to make whipped cream for cake, let's do this. So we need to go on to quick lookup or search and show in this tab. So we will be going on to quick lookup so that we can understand what is the grading system of this tag. So you can see the grading system of this tag is like FFFB for our channel. If you have a channel which is bigger, that is, it's like if you have a channel with like 30,000 subscribers and you are having views which is higher than, it's like 170,000, you can use with views, and you have likes and comments which is like more than this amount, then you can actually use that for your benefit. And whenever you use that for your benefit, you will be ready. You will be ready for what? You are ready so that you can take it to the next level, which will be ultimately helping you up in getting much more better visibility into that specific keyword. And whenever you understand this whole segment, or the whole concept, then you are ready to get seen by millions of people worldwide. You know why? Because you start small with small keywords that don't have the big competition about all of it. Now here is the thing. Morning fame, we were using morning fame, and for that morning fame you cannot get entry on morning fame just by logging in or by signing up. So that if you want to sign up, if you are new, you need a invite code. That this is a website or a platform or a software, whatever you want to say, which actually works on the model of invitation. So you need a code, and you can use my code like MarkOn, and with the help of that you will have access to use it for 30 days, and then you need to purchase it. And it is quite, to be true, it is very inexpensive. And if you use this technique, you will have an option, that is, you will know exactly what is happening with your videos. With that, you will have this option, that is, you will be knowing exactly at what position your video will be standing. And after that, you are ready to crush this game in a real simple way by using the power of data, and to understanding, by understanding all of this data, and you are simply analyzing, so that you have this little secret with you that will be helping you up for long term. And whenever you do that, your keyword ranking will be real higher for your videos.